Hello, my name is Dr. Diallo, an academic coach and a test prep expert with study.com. If you are currently preparing to take the FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 with testing code 057 assessment, you have come to the right place. Today, we'll be going over questions. We'll break down how these questions are presented and walk you through a few authentic practice problems step by step. Let's get started by taking a look at problem number 1. A company is launching a new product and wants to position it as a premium offering compared to its competitors. Which of the following strategies would be most effective in achieving this positioning? A. Setting a lower price than competitors to attract budget-conscious consumers. B. Using high-quality packaging and emphasizing exclusive features and marketing campaigns. C. Offering frequent discounts and promotions to increase sales volume. Or D, targeting a broad market with general advertisements to maximize reach. To position a product as a premium offering, the company should use high-quality packaging and highlight exclusive features in its marketing campaigns. This approach creates a perception of luxury and exclusivity, distinguishing the product from lower-priced competitors. Setting a lower price, offering frequent discounts, and targeting a more broad market are not the most effective strategies and could possibly cause this new product to flop in a market compared to its competitors. Therefore, B, using high-quality packaging and emphasizing exclusive features in marketing campaigns is the correct answer. A small business is trying to increase brand awareness among local consumers. Which marketing approach would be most appropriate for building local recognition? A. Launching a national television advertising campaign. B. Implementing a social media strategy targeting local hashtags and community events. C. Developing a global e-commerce website. Or D. Focusing solely on email marketing to existing customers. Within the question, we have a few key words that we want to pay attention to. We are looking to increasing our brand awareness among local consumers, local being the key word there. And again, we're building local recognition. So we want to keep that in mind as we choose the best answer choice. Well, for a small business aiming to increase local brand awareness, implementing a social media strategy that targets local hashtags and community events is highly effective. This approach helps the business engage with the local community and build recognition within the targeted area. Launching a national television advertising campaign would be too costly, and the target audience won't be local, so this isn't the correct answer choice. Developing a global e-commerce website is broadening the market and won't necessarily reach as many people locally. So this is not the correct answer choice either. Focusing solely on email marketing to existing customers won't help reach other local members of the community. Therefore, B, implementing a social media strategy targeting local hashtags and community events is the best answer choice. A company is considering entering an international market for the first time. What is the most important factor to assess before making this move? A, the current domestic market share. B, the cultural differences in consumer behavior in the new market. C, the size of the potential international market. Or D, the availability of domestic suppliers. Keywords within this particular question are international market, and we want to keep in mind that this is for the very first time. So they're brand new to this idea. We want the most important factor, and we want to know how to do this before making the move. Well, when entering an international market, understanding cultural differences in consumer behavior is crucial. This knowledge helps tailor marketing strategies to local preferences, practices, and expectations, ensuring that the product or service is relevant and appealing to the new audience. The other answer choices to assess the current domestic market share, the size of the potential international market, and the availability of domestic supplies is not the most important factor, although all things to consider. The most important factor is B, the cultural differences in consumer behavior in the new market. A business is considering expanding its product line to include a new category of goods. What is the most critical factor to assess before making this decision? A, the number of competitors in the new product category. B, the current brand equity of the existing product line. C, the potential alignment of the new product with the existing brand image and target market, or D, the historical performance of similar products in other markets. Let's make note once again of the important words within the question. We are expanding our product line to include a new category of goods. And we want to know what is the most important factor to assess before we make this decision. Well, when expanding a product line, it is crucial to assess how well the new product aligns with the existing brand image and target market. Ensuring that the new product fits with its brand's identity and appeals to that same target audience helps maintain brand consistency, and it increases the likelihood of success in the new category. While the number of competitors is important, as well as the current brand equity and the historical performance of similar products in other markets, they are not the most critical factors to assess. Therefore, C, the potential alignment of the new product with the existing brand image and target market, is the correct answer choice. I hope that you found that video to be informative and helpful. If so, be sure to check out more videos on this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of our important, informative videos and testing content. You can also get a lot of help from our website at study.com. As a member, you can access short, targeted video lessons, extra study materials, customized study plans, and hundreds of practice problems. Those who have utilized study.com's resources have over a 92% passing rate. So please remember, let us know what you think and share your feedback about your experience. Wishing you all the very best of luck on your test. Good luck.